Good morning. Today feels nice.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mom. You look ready. We feel fresh.
Breakfast is ready.
We eat together.
It tastes good. It tastes good. We talk softly.
And so the little elephant waved goodbye to the butterfly, promising to meet again tomorrow by the big waterfall. And so the little bear found his way back home.
What is that, Daddy?
That is a magical glowing mushroom, sweetie. He searched high and low until finally, nestled among the roots, he found the glowing crystal.
So what did you guys learn in school today?
Oh.
We built a volcano in science class. It was so cool, Mom. Look, Daddy, it's the elephant.
Oh, wow, that is a big elephant. What sound does he make?
I think that's it for you.
Wow, you really thought that through, didn't you?
I think I'll move this one right here.
Not again, Dad.
You'll get him next time.
Look at that little squirrel. He's collecting nuts for the winter.
Careful now. That move might cost you the game.
Watch this, Dad. I'm gonna win.
And what does the tiger say?
Roar.
And so the little bear wandered deep into the woods until he found the largest honey tree he had ever seen.
Wow, the biggest ever.
Looks like I landed on the shortcut.
Try moving your piece here, honey. Yes, I won.
And then the little bear found the sweetest honey in the whole forest. And the bear realized he had forgotten his honey.
What?
It was stuck to the roof.
Daddy, I finished the tower.
Wow, that looks amazing, sweetie. You did a great job.
It's beautiful, honey.
Wow, look at him fly.
He's my favorite part.
He's my favorite part.
Look at that, a 6. Yay, my turn now.
Go ahead, sweetie. Shake them well.
And the little bluebird flew higher and higher until...
Look, Papa, he's flying.
He certainly is, Mija.
Look at that, a 6. Wow, Papa moved again.
My turn next.
Look, Mom. Why does the tiger have stripes?
They help him hide in the tall grass.
And so the little bear found his way back home, safe and sound.
Look at the stars, sweetie.
Look, he did it. He actually flew the thing.
I told you he would.
Oh, this part is always so good.
What did you find there, sweetie?
He certainly is a funny little guy.
And the little bear said,
I love you more than all the stars in the sky.
And the little dragon flew higher than he had ever flown before.
Wow, that's amazing. Look at that one, Dad.
That's right there, buddy. See his tail?
Oh, he's a sneaky one.
Once upon a time, in a land far away, lived a brave little mouse who dreamed of adventure.
See how brave he is right there.
He certainly is. It's almost time for bed, you two.
Go ahead, roll the dice.
Wow, look at that. I moved past you, Dad. Look at this one, Mama. He's huge.
He certainly is. What do you call him?
A fuzzy triceratops. Look at that part. It's so funny.
look, there's the dragon we read about. He seems friendly, doesn't he?
And so the little bear wandered through the woods until he found the biggest, sweetest berry bush he had ever seen.
Look, buddy, the dragon wasn't scary at all. He just wanted someone to read him a story, too. And then the little knight said, "I'm not afraid of the grumpy troll," and he rolled a 6.